Welcome back to Grilling Dinner. Today I'm going to show you how I made these barbecue bacon wrapped onion rings on the Weber Kettle. It's good. Go get yourself some yellow onions. Cut the bottom and the top off of them. Peel that outer layer of skin off. Pretty basic stuff. We'll fast forward a little bit because you guys don't want to learn how to peel an onion. You're here for the good stuff. Once you get it peeled, cut it in about 1/2 inch thick rings. The bigger the onion, the better it is. Once you get your slices made, just push it out with your thumb and make some rings. I try to use about 2 layers for a ring. Gives it a good solid bite when it's done. Now the best part. Get yourself some bacon. The thinner the better. It crisp up a lot quicker on the grill. You just start wrapping around. The bigger slices take a couple pieces of bacon. This is the boring part. But it's so worth it in the end. Make sure you click that like button if you like bacon. I know I do. And if you've seen my channel before, you know that I like to use duck fat. We're going to spray it on this bacon. It's going to help it even get crispier on the grill, and it's going to let this Coaches Pit BBQ pork rub stick to the meat. This rub is good. I'll put a link in the description to Coaches Pit BBQ. There they are. They're all ready to go on the grill. Now we're going to make some marinade glaze to put on the top of these. It's just some peach jelly and your favorite barbecue sauce. About a 50-50 mix. Let it simmer on the stove. It all melt together. We're going to brush it on at the end. Good stuff. Now we got them on this 22-inch Weber Kettle using the Vortex. Both vents wide open. It's running pretty hot. About 550 degrees. So now they've been on for 15 minutes. We're going to put that glaze on here. And grill them for about another 10 minutes until that bacon crisp up. and they're gonna last about 5 minutes on the counter when I bring them in. Well, there you have it. Barbecue bacon wrapped onion rings cooked on the Weber Kettle with the Vortex. If you like this video, subscribe, click the like button, share it with your friends. Come back next week for more videos.